cake topped with white icing on and loads of sprinkles on top. It's going to be really easy to make, really simple and very quick. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius and let's get baking. Now I'm actually using all-in-one method for this. So I have got 3 large eggs, 200 grams of self-raising flour which I've sifted with a teaspoon of baking powder, 200 grams of softened butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of whole milk and half a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's get this all mixed in. And we're going to give that a good mix for about a minute. Oh, I've got my attachment on, that's really helpful, isn't it? There we go, take 2. I don't think I would have got very far without the paddle. So we're going to mix this on a medium to high speed for about a minute until it all comes together. Okay, so I'm just going to scrape around the edge to make sure I've got everything in the mixture. Then I'm going to pop the milk in and the vanilla and mix it for another 30 seconds. And that's done. It's so quick to do. So I'm going to take the paddle off, make sure I've got everything mixed in properly, and then we'll pop it in a tin. So we've got a 9" by 9" square cake tin here, and I'm going to pop all of the mixture in there. And then I'm just going to smooth it around the cake tin so it's really even with a palette knife. Like that, and then we are going to bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes on 160 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's the cake out of the oven now and baked. It took 25 minutes to bake in the end, and we're actually going to leave this to cool down completely in the tin. Usually with a sponge cake you leave it in the tin for about 5 minutes and then you turn it out, but because we want to create a layer of icing on top and we want that to set, I'm going to leave it to completely cool and then we'll do the icing and the sprinkles. Okay, so the cake is completely cool now, so now I'm going to get on with the white icing that we're going to put on top. So I've got 150 grams of sifted icing sugar here and some cold water. I'm just going to add a tablespoon at a time in and give it a mix. You don't want this too liquidy. Another tablespoon. So we're going to pop this on the cake and then cover it in sprinkles. Okay, so that's all the icing on now, and whilst it is still wet and sticky, I'm going to put on a load of sprinkles. There we go, and we're going to let that completely set, and then it is time to cut and taste test time. Okay, so the icing's completely set now, so I'm going to get a knife and just cut around the edge. And then I'm going to release this. And a little bit of the icing is going to fall down, but that's okay. And then just like that. We'll get icing everywhere. And then we're just going to cut it in equal sections. That is our old school sponge sprinkle cake complete. It makes 9 big squares, and now I'm going to taste this. It's so spongy. That's really good. It really takes you back to school. But a lot nicer, obviously. And it's such an easy cake to make if you don't want to make a layer cake or a Victoria sponge. It's just one layer of cake, a bit of icing and sprinkles on top, and you're done. You can probably do this in under an hour. So, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!